Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com, weight loss jabs. What happens when you stop taking them? The text discusses the experiences of two women, Tanya and Ellen, who have both used GLP-1 weight loss medications to lose a significant amount of weight. However, they have faced very different challenges when trying to stop taking the drugs. Tanya has struggled with the return of her intense food cravings and inability to control her appetite when she stops the medication. She has tried to come off the injections multiple times but always ends up going back on them due to the fear of regaining the weight. Tanya feels that the medication has given her a new sense of control and confidence, but she is also worried that she may be becoming addicted to it. In contrast, Ellen was able to use the weight loss medication as a springboard to redesign her relationship with food. She learned about nutrition and developed healthy eating habits that allowed her to continue losing weight even after stopping the injections. However, she did experience some weight regain, which was difficult for her mentally. The text highlights the importance of having a proper exit strategy and ongoing support when transitioning off of weight loss medications. Without additional guidance and lifestyle changes, many people struggle to maintain their weight loss in the long term. The article also notes that obesity is a complex issue that goes beyond just a GLP-1 deficiency, and that the environment people live in plays a significant role in their ability to achieve and sustain a healthy weight. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak